Hi, my name's Spencer, and today we're going to be working through the safety eye system of your garage door, hopefully saving you time and a little bit of money. Let's get started. Step number 1 is to check out this safety eye. It's going to be located about 6 inches from the ground, and it's going to have one of 3 colored lights: red, yellow, or green. Step number 2 is to check this wire. Make sure that it travels all the way up the wall with no breaks or cuts. We're going to follow that wire all the way up the door, in, behind the door, all the way over to the other side. Doing the same thing, checking the same things: lights, cables. Make sure there's no breaks, cuts, or splices. When we cover up our safety eye light, you can see that the light does go off, and I know that in the video the light is going to appear as though it is flashing. To the naked eye, however, it does appear solid. Step number 4, we're going to run up the wall with this wire and make sure that it also doesn't have any breaks all the way back to the head unit here. When we check our head unit, we're looking to make sure that everything is secured in the back of the machine and that the color of the wires matches completely. We've got our white wires here and our black wires into the correct ports, as you can see. When we are experiencing issues with our motor being obstructed, this is what's going to happen. I'm going to press this wall button. We get nothing but a flashed light. All units do this. Sometimes for a short duration, sometimes for a long one. That is the warning allowing you to know that there is an obstruction between the safety eyes. And if we want to operate our garage door because we know that there isn't anything there, but we can't get a garage door technician out to service our machine, we just want to go ahead and press and hold the button. And as long as we're holding the button, the machine will go down. It is a safety feature offered by every unit. Alright, so that is what you have to know about your safety.